So guys, welcome back in part 2 to ng graph natin. Tayo, lalaro ulit. Ito na naman tayo. Back tayo kay Granny. Kung mag-5 man, dun tayo matatapos ng video natin. Game tara. Bye guys. Oh my guys. There she is.
Naabutan ako ba? Ate, dati normal ka muna dito.
Oh my gosh. Take this. Take this. Let's take this. Hi, Grandma. I'm back here. So you need to worry that I'm here. Because I'm here and I'm here.
Ma-check mo nga ito kung magkano. Saan ka sa'yo?
Okay, let's take this.
Check mo yung magkano sa lalabog.
Asan siya, te?
Dito tayo to eh. Ito, ayun mo.
My guys. Oh my guys. So, ang plano uli natin.
Ay, doon sa Lord. Mamaya, mauubos na yan ito. Tara.
Yan. Ilalakli natin siya para 2 minutes pa siya mabuhay. Para basic. Basic. Oh my guys.
Matapang ako.
So, asa na siya? Let me hear her footsteps.
Tuloy na to. Wala na ibang titignan.
Diba kita niyo pumasok siya?
Kaya niyan. Tangkaya mo lang.
Hi, Granny. And now you die. I will finish your life. You have no husband. And you have no jowa because you're ugly. Do you hear what I say or do you not hear? Because you're dead. You deserve that you're dead, Grandma. And I think you're not my grandma. You're literally my best friend. And I will confess that you're ugly. Because it looks like you are the missing monkey in the world. You don't know yourself. You're saying yourself is ugly. And it's true. And I don't care if you said you're pretty. Because I don't care anymore. And you're not my best friend. Because you're ugly. I need pretty best friends. Not ugly best friends. You know? Dito muna yan. So, makita natin. Number 2 ba? Oh my guys. Oh my. Oh, sorry. Asan si Grandma? Oh my, really.
90 pesos.
Let's shut Grandma. It's time to shut her. Grandma, come here. I'm here. Your apo. Saan ka na, Grandma? Ay, andyan na si Grandma ko. Grandma, papatayin ulit kita, Grandma, ha? Come here. Come here, Grandma. You're a loser. Anytime you come, anytime you come, or you dead. Yes, you're dead. Oh my god. Ay, hindi. Ay, oo. May nakalimutan po ako, guys. Ang weapon key. Oh my gosh. Her dead body is so yuck. Oh my gosh. So, let's wait her. What? Mortal ba siya? Bakit? Nabubuhay uli siya.
Nakapagod nga ako nun. Hoy.
Wait lang.
Buti.
Kasi hindi ako makadaan doon. Napaka ano ng game na to ka-RT. Yan, dito tayo dadaan. Imbis na doon.
Okay na ako mag-practice na lang.
Yan.
At last, ang galing ko. Pag-practice ko naman.
So, let's go. Saan siya mga gusi ko?
Teka lang ba? Tasin mo muna.
Okay.
Hindi, bagpapag na. Okay lang.
Ate, ngayon ako gagamit atlas na lang.
Oo na. Wait lang.
Kala ko yung mandal. Automatic nga pala.
Bisip. Magtago muna tayo. Hi, Grandma. Hi.
Sabi ko huwag maingay. Ano tayo nakakabali?
Grabe yung mga plastic ako dun, Tots. Parang sa mga kanina ko dati.
Oh my God. Where is she? Nasaan na siya? Where are you, Grandma? I think she's ano. Pakainin ko na yung ibon. Hindi yan na eh. Yan, tara na. My guys. So, I see you, Ro. Look at me, Grandma. Oh my guys. Hi, Grandma. Oh. You have no trap. I'm very smart. Huh? I'm very smart. Alright guys. Tama na muna tayo dito sa Granny. Wait. So, let's update this. So guys, dito na nagtatapos ang video at gagawa pa tayo ng part 3 sa Granny. Bye bye!